Hello friends, my name is Shruti and now I am studying in class 10. I am from Shri Bhikrai Mata Madhyamik Vidyalaya, Bhikrai Nagar, and today I am glad to be here, and today I am going to explain you how to measure, how to calculate the total surface area of cuboid and the volume of cuboid by practically by showing and cuboid shape objects. It will help you better and it will make you better to understand. Let's see. Here I have written some basic information about the cuboid. You all know you all know cuboid is a 3D shape object, that is a three-dimensional shape object. It has length, it has breadth, and it has height. So it is three-dimensional objects. And faces 6, edges are 12, vertices are 8. This is the basic information about the what is a cuboid, and it has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Now we will move to the most important topic of this video, that is how to measure the total surface area of cuboid. So I have taken here a cuboid shape objects. So first, this is the length of the object, this is the length of the object, this is the breadth, and this is the total height of the objects. Let's measure. I have taken here scale. So the height is nearly 18 centimeter. So right here length is equal to 18 centimeter. Now we will measure what is the breadth. So the breadth is nearly 4 centimeter. So right here 4 centimeter. Now we will measure the height. This is the height of the object. So let's measure. So it is nearly 11.5 centimeter. Now you all know the formula. What is the total how to measure the total surface area of cuboid? Let's write formula. Total surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus LH. L is nothing but the length, B is nothing but the breadth, and H is nothing but the height. So we have taken here measures. So put the values and find the total surface area of cuboid. Let's put values. L is 18 and breadth is 4. The breadth is 4 and the height is 11.5, and the length is 18 and the height is 11.5. So by using these simple calculations, 18 into 4, that is 72, and these multiplications will be 46, and this multiplication will be 207. So by adding this you will got 325. So by multiplication of this it is 650, and we have taken here unit centimeter, so we have to write here centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of given this cuboid shape object. We have taken here some length, breadth, and height, and find the total surface area of cuboid. So it is a very easy way to find out the total surface area of cuboid. Now we will find the volume of the cuboid. Now I would like to tell you what is the volume. we all know that these solid figures occupy some spaces, and the measure of that spaces is nothing but that volume of cuboid. And we all know what is the formula of volume of the cuboid. It is length into breadth into height. So put the values and do this simple calculation. So L is equal to 18, B is equal to 4, H is equal to 11.5. Then this is the 18, and by multiplication of the both to this, it is 46, and finally we will got we will got 828 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the cuboid, and it is very easy to find out the volume of the cuboid and total surface area of cuboid. And nothing but for these simple calculations, we can also measure the capacity of our water tank in our home using the length, breadth and the height. Let's take one example about the water tank capacity. Let's suppose the height of the water tank is 3 meter. Then let the length of water tank be 10 meter and the breadth of the water tank be 6 meter. So to find out the capacity the water it will contain, so we first find out the volume of the cuboid, volume of that tank. Let's find, and we all know formula. Volume of cuboid, we can written here also the volume of water tank is equal to length into breadth into height. So put values. Length is equal to 10, breadth is equal to 6 and the height is equal to 3. So 10 into 6, 60, and 60 into 3, 180. So 180 meter cube. This is the volume of cuboid. Now we have to measure the what is the capacity of that water tank, how much water it will contain. So I would like to note here 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, means the area of 1 meter cube it contain 1000 liter water. So we have calculate here the total volume is 180 meter cube. So to find out the capacity of water of that tank, we have to multiply 180 by this 1000 liter. So what will come? 1,80,000 liter. So the capacity of the tank who have height 3 meter, length 10 meter and breadth 6 meter is 1,80,000 liter. So in this way we can find out the volume of our tank, and we can use these formulas in our daily lives too. Thank you, and I hope you have better understand, and it will really helpful for you. Thank you.